Flutter development is all about creating seamless, beautiful applications. But to truly streamline your workflow, you need the right set of tools. Here are the 8 essential plugins that every Flutter developer should consider to enhance their design workflows. Provider simplifies state management in Flutter. It disperses data changes across widget trees, keeping apps responsive. While it's easy for beginners, mastering Provider's full potential takes time. For larger applications, Redux or Riverpod might be better suited. Dio is a powerful HTTP client for Dart. It simplifies network requests with intuitive methods and supports a range of HTTP actions. Its interceptors are great for adding tokens or monitoring network activity. However, handling errors and edge cases requires vigilance. Firebase offers a suite of services like cloud storage and real-time databases, easily integrated into Flutter apps. It's an all-in-one platform, but reliance on a single vendor could be a downside for some projects. Flutter Toast provides simple toast notifications, enhancing user experience without affecting performance. It's easy to integrate and customize, but for more complex notifications, you might need a different solution. Sqlite brings efficient local database capabilities to Flutter apps. It's great for offline storage and is lightweight, but managing complex queries and relationships can be challenging. Pubspec Assist simplifies adding Dart and Flutter packages from within your editor. It saves time and energy by allowing you to search and add multiple packages quickly. Error. Lens and Visual Studio Code makes identifying errors and warnings easier by highlighting them directly in the code, saving you from scrolling through long lists. Flutter Tree aids in building complex widget trees. It's user-friendly and speeds up the development process, especially when dealing with multiple widgets. These plugins are just the tip of the iceberg in the Flutter ecosystem. By incorporating them into your workflow, you'll be able to produce high-quality Flutter applications more efficiently. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in your development journey.